I wish that it was just small though and like taped to the back, like the wall there. It's taped up.
I don't know why they made
Oh
it
my
so
God.
damn
It's just so
big.
massive. It's so
But this
massive.
is amazing.
I can't.
Okay, guys, I gotta ask.
Parrot or walkie-talkie?
walkie? Parrot or walkie?
Oh.
It's way too early. We have to see
Yeah,
how
we have
funny
to see
this
how
gets.
this goes.
All right. If we get a breakdown from the walkie, like the antenna
Ooh.
starts drooping,
That would be
or
amazing.
the
need to
needle
see
goes absolutely
the
crazy,
damaged
I
face.
am here for it.
Let's
Damaged
go.
face is what I'm here for. I need it.
Okay.
So here
Well,
for
Dylan, you
it.
get to do your favorite voice, or one of them.
Unfortunately, I think Mars actually. Wait, is
No,
this
what?
me or?
No.
This is the killer in the voice
You're
modulation thing,
right.
because
That's
he's the
my
walkie-talkie.
favorite.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right.
I wouldn't steal your favorite guy from you.
Very good, sir.
Oh my
My
God.
name is Shelly the Killer, and I am a professional assassin.
Oh my God.
Why is it dancing?
I can't.
Why is it dancing?
I can't.
Okay, I need to compose myself for just a moment. I am a broken person. Oh my God. Okay. Whew.
I'm not ready.
Hello? Is this thing on?
I say, what is going on here?
Your Honor.
How can you remain so calm? And what is the meaning of this two-way radio?
Actually, Your Honor, it was delivered to me just now, and it came with a condition.
Oh, so it's not mine. It's a separate massive
Okay,
one.
because I'm like,
As
okay,
long-
we're just gonna overlook that completely? Okay.
As long as we do not trace its source, Mr. DeKiller will testify to this court.
So this must be what that urgent phone call he got earlier was about.
Oh my God.
no, this will not do. I know I don't have any standards, but I cannot allow this in my court.
Oh my God.
First of all, we can't even be sure this is really Mr. Duck Killer himself.
Witness, please present some sort of proof that you are, in fact, Shelly DeKiller.
Someone dies in the jury.
It's Maya. It's Maya.
We just hear a gunshot.
Yeah.
I understand. Please wait a second.
Oh my God.
It's gonna be Maya. He's gonna put Maya on the phone.
I'm so hungry. Maya! Voice! Mr. Wright, can you confirm anything from this?
Tap point! The defense has no objections to this person. We are satisfied that this man is indeed Shelly DeKiller.
Looks like we have run into yet another unexpected turn of events. Newspapers are gonna have a field day with this one.
Cause of death lack of burger.
We were all thinking it.
Honestly. Well, it doesn't seem like we have too many choices under these circumstances, so...
Now then, witness, there is one thing I would like to confirm before we speak of anything else.
Okay, I just gotta say, so far, this game is now 2 for 2 on the final cases having a really wild testimony. If Trials and Tribulations does not deliver, I will be very upset.
How can they top this?
I don't know, just something.
Are they going to kidnap Pearl Neck?
I just
No.
need, like, we got Parrot, Walkie-Talkie, like, who's next, you know? A ghost? Like an actual ghost? Not like a spirit medium ghost?
Spirit Medium Ghost is still a ghost. Don't take that away from them.
And what would that be?
At the request of a client, you killed Mr. Juan Corrido, is that correct?
It is as you said. I did indeed kill Mr. Corrida.
I just
It
noticed the
almost looks
button
like
depresses.
a happy face because the button is like tilted upward, so it looks like the happy closed eye.
Now that we have that, let's move on to the name of your client.
What I'm saying, Enthuse, what I'm saying is putting, like, the equivalent of a spirit medium channeling a ghost is not in the level of crazy as a parrot or a walkie-talkie. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's still a person on the stand.
Ori, I get what you're saying. In Trials and Tribulations, what's going to happen? The parrot that is an important witness died. And that parrot needs to possess a spirit medium, and she has a
Yeah.
horrific
God.
transformation.
Okay, I'm here
like
for
a
that.
chimera.
I'm here for
Horror.
that. That's what I need.
Yeah.
I need that
No,
to
no,
happen.
maybe
Yeah.
not body horror. Maybe she just gets really cool wings.
Yeah.
No, she's got wings, all right, but
Collar-
it's got
collar
fingernail feathers. It's like a horrifying monster.
Oh my
This is for ages 12 and up, so I don't think they could go that hard.
We'll have to wait for the T version to come out.
That kind of sounds like that would be protected under assassin-client confidentiality agreement. So, no.
This is all just a bad dream. But yes, that's it. A bad dream. I'm in my bedroom at home, sound
Judge,
asleep.
I wish it was a bad dream. Shelly DeKiller. What is he going to say?
I'm not. I don't.
We get the green text.
I can't wait.
There is something I must first state. To understand, nothing is more important than the trust between a client and himself. And that is the reason I am here today, on this witness stand, kind of. It is my wish that you grasp this concept before I give you the name of my client.
That was a preface. That wasn't a testimony.
That wasn't a testimony.
Mr. the Killer seems to be a very clever man. I'd almost say he seems to be mocking us.
Yeah.
Well, he may appear to be our enemy, Your Honor. Mr. the Killer is only stating the truth.
I can't.
He is no hypocrite. He has always stood by this one belief.
How do you know? You mean about this trust between his clients and himself thing?
Remember, Edgeworth has
That's
been
right,
like
Your Honor.
on a committee.
He taught me about this
investigating.
concept known as aftercare.
Oh my god.
I looked into it a great deal, and it turns
Oh
out he's
my
very caring.
God.
What does that even mean in this context?
I'll explain when you're older, Judge.
Don't answer that. It seems to be a level of trust beyond what people like me can comprehend. Well, Mr. Wright, are you ready to cross-examine the witness?
I never am. But sure, Your Honor.
There's no way to know what's coming next, so stay cool and collected, Phoenix.
I'm not cool collected right now, Mia. I'm never
Well,
cool
at
collected,
least-
Mia.
At
You know
least
me.
create the impression that you are cool and collected.
Easier said than done.
I mean, we're just gonna press everything because what
Press
the
everything!
Hold it!
Hold it, do you have to state it first, or can't you state it second?
Kind of. We can.
We can hear anything you have to say later. Can you just please tell us the client's name?
I don't think you understand your place, Mr. Attorney. I said this is something that I must state first. Do you know what the word first means?
Sorry. Go on.
Well, it appears this is one witness you can't badger, Mr.
I
Wright.
can't badger any witnesses.
It's only because you don't know about Maya's situation.
We're just pressing.
Hold it! The trust between you and your client.
I provide my services in a fast and efficient manner. In exchange, I trust my clients are discreet about me and my identity. If too many people knew my face, it would be quite troublesome.
And that is why you're testifying in this manner.
No, I just thought this would be funny. And it was. But this is the first time one of my clients has ever been accused of murder. I must preserve the killer name so my clients can trust me
Oh
to
my
be
god.
the killer.
But couldn't someone stab you in the back and break your trust?
That's how we get him! The video camera! Because Matt on guard did want to throw the killer under the bus. He broke the trust.
Well, he wanted to have the option. He wanted to have the option.
You wanted to rewatch the video while the lights were dimmed and the candles
no,
were
no, no,
on.
no, 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 no.
Is that what gets him going?
Oh, you know it is. He makes it like super sinister face. He actually has got the wine glass, you know. Anyway,
You know, he's just
You've
having a
never
nice
had it
evening
before,
in.
But if it ever did,
Yes?
that person wouldn't be my client for very long.
Oh my god.
Is Matt on guard going to
Okay.
get shot on
Yeah. This is, we don't put Matt on guard away. We turn the killer against him and he kills Matt on guard. Matt on guard's not
That-
proven guilty, but he's
I feel like-
assassinated.
That's where it's
It
going!
Now,
does feel like where it's going.
here's what happens. Matt on guard double-crossed him by recording it, right? And so the assassin comes into court to kill him then and there. And right before he takes the shot, Edgeworth tackles him. Hero gets back on the police department.
You mean Gumshoe?
That would be Gumshoe.
I did meant to say Gumshoe.
I did meant
Let's just all pretend I said Gumshoe. In fact,
We'll edit in Gumshoe for you.
in fact, wow, so glad he said
No.
Gumshoe.
Mm-mm.
Sound.
You're rewriting history!
Look, chat's with me.
Like I said before, the more you talk about it, the more it stays in.
They would certainly.
That's enough! Please, no more!
Judge, I've been threatened in this courtroom multiple times, and this is where you draw the line? I mean, come on.
You've been threatened! I've never been threatened!
Well, it was only a hypothetical anyway.
Oh, let's make that hypothetical a little more of a reality, shall we?
Hold it! That seems a little strange to me. I mean, you're about to tell us the name of your client. I would think that this would be very bad for them.
Yeah, I agree. Oh,
Or not.
That is true. However, they can suck my.
Oh.
This client has already broken the rule and acted outside of their prescribed rule.
Oh, so he
Oh,
found
so
out
he
about
does
he learned
know.
about the video. That's what it is. He learned about the video.
What is this prescribed role, though? Their role?
We're gonna find out.
This person tried to implicate another of the crime in order to save themselves.
it's Adrian Andrews? What?
No.
No.
She's the only
No,
person
no,
who
no,
I
no,
know
no,
who
no.
tried to implicate.
I think it's on guard implicating Adrian, like letting Adrian take the fall.
He didn't try to implicate. Oh wait. He might be. What he's saying here might be referring to your lawyer strategy of throwing Adrian under the bus.
That
But that
might
seems.
be it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
The killer is Detrickies.
Yeah.
Let's see where this is going.
I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of Ace Attorney. We play live once a week on Twitch and YouTube.
Thank you so much for the Giga Chads who became members. We really appreciate it.
If you like what you've seen so far, consider giving us a like, commenting, or subscribing for more content and chaos from us.
See you next time.
time.